I have dry and frizzy hair, kaya kailangan ko ng shampoo na walang harsh ingredients. So, lalong-lalo na ngayon that I'm starting to grow my hair again. Kasi nga, patay na siya dahil sa kulay at kaka-rebond noon. So, ngayon, pinatubo ko na siya ulit para maibalik sa natural color niya. With that, ngayon, talagang pinipili ko na ang mga ginagamit kong shampoo and conditioner. Which is, may na-discover ako at gustong-gusto ko siya. So, tada! Ito po yung bago kong discovery, my babies! So, dalawang scents yung nagustuhan ko from Herbal Essences. The first one is the White Strawberry Mint. And it will give you the clean feels after mong gamitin. So, of course, partner shampoo and conditioner. And then, the second one, na nagustuhan ko din ang amoy. Of course, pareho sila ng ingredients na hindi harmful. So, the other one is the coconut milk. And with this one, it hydrates your hair. So, perfect talaga dahil ito yung kailangan sa frizzy hair ko. Herbal Essences Shampoo and Conditioner claims that it has no parabens, no colorants, no BHA, no mineral oils, no DEA, and no paraffins. So, kaya sinasabi kong wala itong harsh ingredients. And OMG, underrated ang bango-bango ng shampoo and conditioners ng Herbal Essences. Pero sa lahat, ito yung dalawang scents na gustong-gusto ko. So, if you wanna check it out or try it for yourself,